Well, hello guys and welcome to another tutorial in which we are going to learn how to create a file and save data inside it. And this property is really important when it comes to saving and loading data for a specific application or for a specific program for the users of such an application. But before we go ahead, there is a couple of functions that we should get to know. The first one is called the file, which is used to create a file. And the second one is called the print writer, which is used to save or print the data that we want inside the file that we had created before. So let's go ahead and create our file and say file, let's call it my file, and let's say that is equal to new file, and let's call it test.text and end with semicolon. This line means go to file class, create an object or variable and call it my file, and create a text file and call it text. Then we are going to create another object from print writer class and call it, for example, get info, and say that is equal to new print writer and my file, which is the object name of the file that we had created right here. It's still giving me an error despite it's right, because it throws an exception and I have to handle such an exception using try and catch, which we had learned the last video. Then we should take this cut and say try sided bullet, then say catch exception ex or anything curly brackets, and then exception is written in the wrong way. Exception except yes, we miss b right here. It goes well this way. Now everything is okay and the file is ready to print something inside. For example, we can say get info dot print len, and we can say this is a list of numbers, and the next line we can say for int I that is equal to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus, and then get info print len I. And after you finish all the data that you want to save inside the file, you have to close it by saying get info dot close, and if you don't close it, you are going to get an error. Let's just run this. The program is built successfully, and to make sure that everything is okay, you have to go to window, click on files, and here is the class that we had created, and here is the text file that we had created. In order to have a closer look on it, go to property of the class, copy paste this address, go here, paste it, click enter, and here the text file that we had created that is called test, double click on it, and here are the data that we printed inside. In this lesson, we have learned together how to create a file, how to print data inside it, and we said that it's a really useful property when it comes to saving and loading data of a specific program or application. If you got a benefit from such a video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you on the next one.